Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today we have a banger, like a definitely banger, Jamaican black cake, done perfectly. So guys, you gotta follow this recipe because your cake will come out perfectly dark, nice, soft. It's full of moisture, it's full of taste, it's full of everything in there. Yeah, so let's get right into it, guys. So now, guys, we got some softened butter. Now we're gonna make our butter, batter with our butter, and then gradually add our brown sugar to it to get it nice and fluffy. Because we are go for a fluffy, nice cake. So guys, that's what we're trying to achieve today. So now, guys, I'm gonna be adding my sugar, and trying to get it light and fluffy with the butter and the sugar combined together. So guys, I mixed this for about 10 to 15 minutes to achieve, the fluffiness of the butter and the sugar combined together. So yes, about 15 to 20 minutes. So I put it on low and gradually increase the speed. And when you're doing this, guys, you gotta script on your edges as you go by. And also, guys, if you want to use your granulated sugar fan, you could use half granulated sugar, half brown sugar. The choice is up to you, but you cannot use granulated sugar by itself. It's not gonna get the fluffy texture that we're trying to achieve. So the brown sugar, you can use half brown sugar, half granulated sugar, guys. So, or you can use brown sugar only, which you see that I'm using in this video. So now that we have gotten that all light and fluffy, we're gonna be adding, getting our eggs all ready. So I'm gonna add my eggs in a bowl, and then, guys, I'm gonna remove the eye from the egg that holds the yolk and the white part together. Yes, and then I'm gonna be adding my zest, lime zest to it, because if you're using so many eggs in a cake, you're gonna guarantee it's gonna be raw. So that's what the zest is for. That's how the zest come in play, guys. So yes, so after we finish this, we're gonna be gradually adding our eggs to our butter. And I do this in 6. So I add one, mix, add another, then mix, and make sure, guys, make sure you script on your bowl, your edges at the side of it, as you go along, so you get everything combined together. So yeah, I think I add this in 7. I add, and then 1 and add, and 1 and add. So guys, yes, and please not to overmix this because we don't want our butter to curdle. So now I'm gonna be adding my browning. Yes, the browning will get the color. So now that we have added our browning, we're gonna be mixing it on low speed. Please, guys, make sure it's low speed because in this process it can curdle on you. Okay, so low speed. And then we're gonna be adding our dry ingredients now. So I'm gonna be using my all-purpose flour. Yes, guys, me that try to make the amount of flour me that using this for well na the strainer, but it never work out the way I want it. But yes, guys, we're gonna be sifting our flour and then gradually add our cinnamon and our allspice and our baking powder and our salt and sift that away, guys. So now I'm adding my cinnamon now I'm adding my allspice. The allspice having a nutmeg, all of the spices, guys. So yes, now I'm using my salt. Then I'm gonna be using my baking powder, and I'm gonna be sifting that away, and then stir, make everything combine. 'Cause one part of salt and another part of salt, one part of cinnamon and another part of the cinnamon. So guys, yes, we gotta get it perfectly mixed in, guys, and yes. So now that we've sorted out our dry ingredients, now it's time for our wet ingredients, guys. Fruit mix, the star of the show, Yes, and guys, if you want to see how I make this video, please click the link in my description, or you can click the link right up here, and it bring you right to this. So I added my vanilla and my rose water, guys, and mix all of that in. Then I'm gonna be adding our butter that we made earlier, which is the butter, the egg, our sugar, and gradually add it to this. And guys, it look curly but not curly enough to spoil our cake. Yes, guys, so we're gonna be mixing all of that food cake and our butter together, to get everything combined together, everything nice and everything nice and merry, guys. So yes, you will see how everything turn out, guys. So now we're gonna be adding our dry ingredients, which is our flour, and I'm gonna be adding it, and mix. So guys, circular motion in, circular motion, guys, in, circular motion in. That's how we want to do it. But and this process, guys, you cannot over mix this part of the procedure, because your cake is gonna be spoiled. So once we circular motion in, guys, yes, we go forward from there. Circular motion in, circular motion, guys, in. Add your flour, circular motion in. So guys, yes. You see, guys, everything turn out perfectly well. You see, circular motion in, guys, perfectly. So now it's time for us to get our baking tray ready. So guys, I'm gonna be buttering my baking tray, and then I'm gonna be adding some grease paper at the bottom of it. Yes, guys, and I'm also gonna be making some small some remaining of the butter in our cupcake form, as some testers, So yes, guys, so this butter can give you up to 4 8-inch cake. Yes, guys, it gave me 3 8-inch cupcake form and a bread pan size, guys. So yeah, this is enough for share with your family, your neighbor, your friend, your co-worker, Yes, guys. So when we finish with all of that, now we're gonna be knocking it, so we get all of that air bubble out of our cake. So that's what I'm doing right now. So when you add your mixture to your mixing bowl, knock it on the counter, we're gonna get that air bubble, because we don't want air bubble here and air bubble there. We don't want no air bubble in our cake. So yes, guys. And guys, if you want to add more browning to your cake, you can, but I think this color is perfectly fine with me. So yes. So now it's time for our oven, guys. Yes, and I put some warm water into, our mixing bowl right there. So, you know, we're gonna be making this for like an hour and 10 minutes. So we don't want our cake to dry out. Yes, so the water under it, keep the cake moist all through the baking, guys. So yes, and this is my cupcake, nice and moist, guys. It was hot, but me still did that for sure now. All my cupcake come out, nice, soft. Watch texture. Nice, guys. And now time for a cake. No for time for the start of the show, And guys, I insert my knife into my cake and check it, So if you see, that's because I inserted a knife into it. But it came out perfectly fine. I love the color, And as I said, if you want your cake darker, you can add more browning. Yes. So what you see I'm using now is my red label and my rum mixed together, guys. So I'm gonna add this while it's hot, so it absorbs the alcohol into it, guys. And you can also, them say the older the cake, the better the taste. Yes, guys. So as days goes by, you can add your alcohol to it every two days, and it keep the cake moist. And yes, guys. Watch nice, watch color, beautiful, guys. Watch moist. So guys, the way I'm so excited for take a video, I forgot to remove the grease paper under it, so I was trying to cut into it, may I show off right there, so and then I'd have to stop the video and show how I cut the other side of the cake, guys. Yes, because I forgot to move the grease paper from under it, so when I cut the cake I couldn't lift it up. So I'm gonna have to put this in it, for going a small joke for showing how I want to show off with the cake. I forgot to remove the grease paper from under it. But yes, guys, I'm gonna cut the other side of it and show you. Remember, guys, the cake is still hot, but I still have to cut in it and show you what I go on with the cake while it's hot, and then me go show you another one 24 hours how the texture is different. Yes, guys. Ta ta da da, guys. Watch the no man, watch moist, watch fruit cake a peek out, guys. No, I can't tell myself I never do good in another one, yeah. Guys, and please to leave a like, share, turn on your post notification, because I really deserve it. But go hard for that one, guys. And yes, thanks for watching, guys. And and I'll definitely see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.